Good morning. Sitting here in class, and a student asked a question about drawing the sketches. So out of curiosity, we decided to try Desmos.com to see if we can get it to draw a nice normal distribution for us. And it turns out it works really, really well. Let me close this out and get rid of it, and we'll start over here. Down here at the bottom left, you'll see a keyboard. Click on the keyboard. Go to Functions. Under Distributions, you'll see Normal, DIST. And we're going to bring that up. And it tells you right here that the inputs for this are the mean and the standard deviation. And right now it has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. If we hit the Zoom Fit button, this is your standard normal distribution curve. So we'll very quickly take a look at Try It Yourself 2 here, which uses the information from example 2. A mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 12 minutes. So we'll input that first. Mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 12 minutes. The context here is the amount of time someone spends shopping in a specific store. The mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 12 minutes. Our graph disappeared because we input new values, so it has shifted and stretched the graph. Again, we'll hit this Zoom Fit button. And there we go. It drew us a very nice normal distribution curve here. Underneath here, you'll see this. Find cumulative probabilities. We're going to click on that. And it gives us the ability to enter any minimum and maximum value we want. Right now, it says negative infinity to positive infinity. And we know the area under the normal curve should be 1 or 100%. So let's go back to the Try It Yourself and see what it's asking us to find. What is the probability that a shopper will be in the supermarket between 33 and 60 minutes? So we just have to go ahead in here and type in 33 and 60 minutes, and it will give us an output of 0.7357 is the probability of spending between 33 and 60 minutes. And we could answer just about any question they would ask us using Desmos here. Let's say we wanted to know the probability of greater than 60 minutes. Okay, we've already gotten rid of the infinities here. If we want greater than 60 minutes, we want to input 60 as our minimum, and we can come in here and just type in the word infinity, and it will put the symbol back in for us. So if we want greater than 60 minutes, this is our two inputs, and it will give us our probability of a shopper doing greater than 60 minutes. Let's say we wanted less than 33 minutes. We can come in here, type negative infinity, and change this maximum now to 33, and now we have the probability of a shopper spending less than 33 minutes. So the Desmos tool is actually a little bit faster than the Google Sheets tool. If you're going to do it this way and submit things to me this way, you're going to have to do screenshots of what your inputs were and what your graph is. So you'll end up having to take a lot of screenshots and submitting those, but that would be more than acceptable. If you're using a TI-84 at home, these inputs, if you took the time to look that up on Google or on the internet anywhere, the inputs for Desmos are actually very, very similar to the inputs in your TI-84. The only difference being in the TI-84, you would put in your minimum value, your maximum value, then you'd put in your mean and standard deviation. Very, very useful, very, very quick. I'm glad we took a look at it, and I hope you take the time to watch the video.